So guys, today we are looking forward to create database using Excel. Now I am creating an employee table or a sheet with employee, and I have two particular perspectives where I can create emp ID and emp name. Definitely emp name is exclusive, but emp ID is something which is unique and generated by the organization for the employees in sequence. Suppose you have to fill simply 1, 2, 3, 4, that there are only numbers. So there are multiple ways. You can drag after an interval and that particular thing can be created. This is a very normal way. Now, if I say I don't need to even enter 1, 2, 3, and simply by putting a formula, I can create a sequence. Just see, this is so intelligence. When I say sequ, it understand that you are going for a sequence. And how many rows you want to enter? I want to enter, suppose, 100 employees, right? And I simply say sequence 100, enter, and just say, you will find that the entire sequence of 100, no, not less, not more, they are being entered, right? Now at this point of time, a problem came to our mind that we have to generate employee names. Now, employee number generation is not an issue. You can do it with multiple ways. As I told you, you can do it with sequencing, you can do it with random generation, you can do it so many ways. Just I will just show you one, two. I'm just showing it to you again. Okay. And if I say this is the entire you can say column, but I want to fill only 100. So the point is, either it is going to look forward for a flash fill, or it can directly go with the series, right? You want a stop value of 100, and you can look forward to it. It will keep it, and finally it will end at 100. It is not going to go beyond 100, the same way which we have generated sequencing, right? So there are three ways I told you: by dragging, by sequencing, by filling in the series. Now in employee name, I've created one formulation for you. What I have done, I have created a list of first names just by entering the data, and you see all the names are coming up. You can watch them. And similarly, I have created some random last names, okay, which are mostly being used, and they are found in our database. But I want a random name. Now just see over here what I will do. I will push F9 and see. In the random first name and random last name, there is a change. And if you notice over here in the employee name, uh, I'm just pressing F9, and by pressing F9, I'm finding the random employee name. Now, if I simply just copy from here, Control C, and paste it here, we can create an automation for this as well. And I am just placing the values. So you will find within no time I can fill the entire, you can say, repository. Just see, and I'm going to paste. And there is something which I'm also telling you: paste special. We can also check that we are finding that most of the names are not same. Okay, you can also check it out, the unique perspective of it, that whether the name are unique or not, by using some formulation. So how I have done it, I would like to tell you. Please watch it carefully. Now I am just you can say expanding it so that you can watch the formula. So the random formula is being taken care by, if I press F2, so I have done it. There is a formulation by sort by, and where I have used names from A2 to A26. Then there is a formula called rand array, and we have taken count A because I don't want anything which is you can say missed or uh, you can find it out that where there is a space or there is an irregularity in data. So for countering them, this particular data has been created. So this formula is being applied, and once it is done, automatically it will take care of every time every time there is a random name. Over here also the same thing has been done for the last names. It is taking it from this array, the array of last names. It is taking from the array of first names. Now in employee name, what I have done, I have concatenated the random names generated, and there is a space in between, and that is how I was able to create random employee names. So guys, with this, I would like to stop here. Looking forward to see you in my next video where you can enjoy and find it out. There are so many things which can be easily worked out using Excel. Thank you so much.